y'all, it's DeeDee. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I thought it would be cool to do just like a nighttime skincare routine. So I'm gonna do that for y'all real quick. So I'm going to go in with my CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser, and so I'm gonna clean my face with this first. So you just I have to wet my face. Okay, and I use one of these little wet towels. They are, what are these? The Clean Club towels, I think that's what they're called. I stopped using rags like maybe a year and a half ago, and I definitely can tell a difference in my skin. I feel like my skin is like a lot cleaner, and I don't have as many breakouts as I did before when I was using rags. So I really like these. So then I go in with these Clearasil Stridex pads. Make it one of these, and I just go over it. Because now these may be strong to somebody, but I haven't used these since I was in high school. So I go in with this, and it does tingle / burn just a little bit, but I feel like that means that it's working. And it's gonna get the leftover dirt on my face. So then you have to fan it. Okay, so then after I do that, this, I have been using this, I don't know if it's called Tear, I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. See if I can get it to focus. I haven't had this that long, but I don't know if it's just this Doppler thing isn't working, but I feel like a lot don't be coming out. But I have dry combination skin, so for me it's all about packing on the moisture. So I use that. And then I go in with my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is like my favorite product ever. So I rub that all over because this is really good for fine lines. I feel like my fine lines on my forehead have improved. They're not gone, but they have improved, which is, hey, a win is a win at this point. Fan a little. And then I go in with my Lancome eye cream. This is, I don't know how to pronounce it. I ain't finna mess it up, but anyway, this is the eye cream. I'll put just a little bit. And then I go in like this. Don't do too much because it will burn. Because when I first got it, I felt like I put too much and it burned. Okay, y'all seeing the skin? Okay, so then after that, I use my, oh, this thing. This is Clinique, but you can't see it. It's Clinique Moisture Surge. My second favorite product. And then I just pack this on. This is like the last thing, the last major step. And then I rub it all around. Y'all asked for skincare routine, so boom, this is what you got. Rub it all over, make sure you get your neck. Now, an extra step I've been doing, just for me, just because I like the way it smells. So I got this from Canvas Beauty. You know, the one who does the, Stormy, who does the body, what are they called? The body glaze. But anyways, it's a rose glow facial oil that she has. Oops. And my sister got me one of these. I really love like anything that's rose infused. And so I just get a little bit of this and I just pat it on my face. Because again, my skin is dry and I'm a woman of a particular age. So I feel like in my 40s, I really need to, basically I need this. And then I just top it off with some regular Aquaphor. I don't have any fancy smancy lip stuff. I be seeing all the fancy stuff that I want to try, but I ain't there yet, boo. And so that is it. So the only thing that I've added that's new to my skin, that's new, would be this ceramic milk ampoule. I could be pronouncing this wrong. Tur, one of them. But this is the newest product that I've added. But other than that, all these other things I have used for a very long time. So this is the final look for the skin. yep, I go to bed very greasy, very shiny, but I love it. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And so until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.